Hi, and welcome to WaggMore Pet Boutique and Bakery, located in the Center Business District of Sparta, New Jersey. We opened our doors in 2017 to provide you and your dogs the ultimate shopping experience. With open arms, we welcome you into our store filled with freshly made treats and items that you will not find in a typical box store. From our fresh bakery to our seasonal items year-round, this is something for both you and your four-legged ones to leave happy with. We hope to see you soon, Chris and Toby. Hi everyone, welcome back to another easy do-it-yourself dog treat video from WaggMore Pet Boutique and Bakery. Today we're going to be doing another limited ingredient yummy dog treat recipe. We're going to be doing a blueberry pumpkin biscuit. So grab your four-legged ones, grab a notepad and a pen, a few things we'll need from the kitchen, and let's get started. For today's recipe, we're going to need some baking trays lined with parchment paper, a mixing bowl, your choice of cookie cutter press. We're going to need a 1 tablespoon for our blueberries, a 1/3 cup for our vegetable oil, and a 1/4 cup for our pumpkin puree. We have our fresh blueberries, our pumpkin puree, our beef broth, and our vegetable oil. First, we'll grab our measuring cup and we're going to measure out 2 cups of flour. Next, we're going to add our 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree into the flour. Next, our tablespoon of fresh blueberries added to the mix. Next, we're going to take our 1/3 measuring cup and pour in our beef broth, and we'll add that to our mix. Our final ingredient, we're going to add 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now we're ready to mix and press out our cookies. Now that our oven is loaded with our trays of cookies, we're going to go ahead and set the temperature for 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we suggest a cooking time of about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll check on it periodically. We suggest once the timer goes off to leave the doors closed so they dry out for a few hours, and then your biscuits will be extra crunchy and ready for delivery for your four-legged ones. And of course, the most important part, the test.